Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Xerox DocuMate scanner, the LKPower AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any replacement. It's a brand new, high-quality power solution designed to perfectly match a range of Xerox DocuMate models, ensuring your scanner gets the precise power it needs to operate flawlessly. Specifically, this adapter is compatible with the Xerox DocuMate 510 flatbed scanner, as well as the DocuMate 150, 152, 162, 250, 252, 262, and 262i scanners. It's engineered to replace original units like the Hitron HEG 42240-2007L, 3776000, and 7499100, meaning you can be confident in its fit and function. One of the standout features of this LKPower adapter is its universal input capability. It accepts AC 100-240V at 5061 Hz automatically, making it a truly worldwide compatible power source. This travel special feature is incredibly convenient, whether you're moving your scanner between different offices or taking it on the road. No need for multiple adapters or worrying about voltage converters when you're abroad. Beyond compatibility and convenience, safety is paramount, and LKPower has clearly prioritized it. This adapter comes equipped with overvoltage protection and overheat protection. These crucial safeguards are designed to protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable Xerox DocuMate scanner from potential electrical damage. It's reassuring to know that your equipment is shielded against unexpected power fluctuations. The manufacturer, LKPower, assures that these units are thoroughly tested and arrive in great working condition. This commitment to quality means users can expect reliable and consistent power delivery right out of the box. When an original power supply fails, finding a dependable replacement that won't compromise your scanner's performance or longevity is key. This LKPower adapter steps up to that challenge, offering a robust and secure power connection. It's a smart investment for maintaining the operational integrity of your DocuMate scanner, providing peace of mind that your scanning tasks won't be interrupted by power issues. Its robust build and protective features make it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable power source for their Xerox DocuMate scanner lineup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.